Back to the InWheelTime Car Talk Show. Time now for Jeff's Car Culture. All things WD-40 and what it can do for your car.
Yeah, some of these things are surprising. I don't call them hacks or just however people use these things. But this versatile product has many uses other than the things that it's designed for, especially helpful in the garage if you're looking for an inexpensive way to keep your car looking running good as new. So originally developed by the aerospace industry as a degreaser and rust prevention solvent. And of course, the WD is water displacement, and it's the 40th formula. That's how that 40 came in there.
Water displacement 40.
Right. It's suitable for every application. Always double check, though, the instructions before you do any of these things for your car, because it can be expensive if it doesn't work. So it's particularly useful for both protecting the chrome parts of your car and the rust improving their shine. It can be done by coating the chrome surfaces with original WD-40, the spray, and then waiting for about 10 minutes so it sinks in a little bit, and then gently scrub the chrome before rinsing off the residue. And who doesn't like to rinse residue? I like it. Spray on another coat, wipe it clean, and your shine will come back to the chrome. Similarly, the WD can restore the headlights if you trust that, and if they're not too bad. And I know my son Jason just did Kylie's before she went over to Texas Tech. He did the buffing part of it. There's a process that they do at the dealership that he did for her. But
that involves WD-40?
No. It's all the compounds and things. Yeah. But nevertheless, it's a multi-use product. Instead of applying it directly to lights, you should use it with put on chrome, or you should spray it on a clean cloth, then thoroughly rub the headlights to restore their shine. Using WD-40 on car doors can also be particularly useful. Cold weather, in that case, the WD can be used to unstick them in these situations. So you spray the WD on the frozen part, and it will break loose. Using it on your car door is particularly useful in cold weather. You can put it on your hinges as well. So gaskets and weather stripping of your car, they can be limbered up. It can extend the lifespan, as well as keep the climate control of your car.
Limber it up.
More efficient. The product can also be used in similar fashion for your windshield wipers, slowing down their wear and tear, saving you money, and it won't replace them as often.
And putting that grease right on your windshield.
There you go. Another way of this product lubricant is ear strut mounts. Can be annoying. They squeak the top of the mount. Sometimes the bolts get rusty and things from the open road. Spray it on there and they'll be lubed up. Very important, though, not to use it on any of your brakes, because that'd not be good. If you like keeping your car looking pristine and hate those sticky dashboards and all that good stuff people eat in your car, you can actually use this on some of the dash parts, maybe your steering wheel. They say it does work. I wouldn't do it, but there it is. Another common would be adhesives. If you got a bumper sticker or something that's sticky on your vehicle, rubber, tar, you can spray it on there, wipe it off, and it should be
See,
okay.
no, I didn't think about that.
Crayons. If you got kids in your car and they write crayon stuff on the doors or the pads or anything like that on the seats, WD-40 can remove that as well. The solvent is safe to use with paint, but WD removes grime, tree sap, bird droppings, and all of that good stuff, dead bugs and things. The electrical components of your vehicle.
Don't tell John Gray that.
This business will go down. Components of your vehicle are obviously some of the car parts that are important to keep moisture free, can be used to dry them out, including spark plugs, spark plug wires, and ignition distributors. This product is also dealing with flooded engines, whether that's part of your car, lawnmower, tractor, or other vehicle. Completely shut off the motor, spray the original WD formula into the carburetor. Once the moisture is cleared, the engine should start and never have a problem after that. While it's great for drying out flooded engines, just remember that WD-40 is not a substitute for engine oil and should refrain from using it as such. And if you do a lot of highway driving, tired of having those bugs stick to your windshield, you can spray it on your windshield, and the bugs will just go off and they'll become roadkill. That's what the article says. Rather than stick to your windshield, the bug, it comes roadkill. So just be careful how you use it. WD-40 has many uses. You can spray it on your tire, keep the grime and road mud off your tires altogether. Spray it on there, and it comes off very, very easily.
Isn't it mainly fish oil?
I don't know. I've never read the back of it. I've never read the ingredients of it.
Well, it's not that you're going to eat it or anything, but
no. But just be careful how you use it. There are some things that might ruin or get boogered up, as they say.
Boogered up.
Boogered up.